Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered what would happen to your body if you ate sweet potatoes daily? Well, get ready, because we're about to explore the incredible benefits of this humble food. Sweet potatoes are not only delicious but packed with nutrition. They're sweet, earthy, and full of health benefits, making them an easy choice to include in your diet. Sweet potatoes are a powerhouse food, from boosting your immune system to supporting healthy vision. 1. Antioxidant powerhouses. Sweet potatoes are rich in antioxidants, which are compounds that protect the body from oxidative stress caused by free radicals. Free radicals can damage cells and contribute to diseases like cancer. The main antioxidant in sweet potatoes is beta-carotene, the substance responsible for their bright orange color. When consumed, beta-carotene is converted into vitamin A, which is vital for healthy vision, skin, and immune function. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the body, lowering the risk of chronic diseases. 2. Rich in vitamin C and B vitamins. Sweet potatoes provide a significant amount of vitamin C, which supports the immune system, helps heal wounds, and keeps your skin healthy. Vitamin B6 is also abundant in sweet potatoes, contributing to mood regulation and brain function. These vitamins help boost your overall health and energy levels, making sweet potatoes a great addition to your daily diet. 3. Packed with nutrients. Sweet potatoes are not only delicious, but they also offer a variety of essential minerals. These include iron, copper, zinc, and manganese, which are necessary for maintaining healthy bodily functions and preventing nutrient deficiencies. Additionally, sweet potatoes are high in fiber, which slows digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels, making them a better choice than white potatoes for people managing diabetes or looking to maintain steady energy throughout the day. 4. Gut health support. Sweet potatoes are high in prebiotics, dietary fibers that promote the growth of good bacteria in your gut. They help improve digestion by reducing issues like constipation and diarrhea. Sweet potatoes also contain resistant starch, a type of fiber that cannot be digested by the body, which helps nourish healthy gut bacteria. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for overall digestive health and may lower the risk of gut-related diseases. 5. Anti-inflammatory benefits. The carotenoids in sweet potatoes, including beta-carotene, have powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Inflammation is linked to many chronic conditions, such as heart disease, cancer, and autoimmune diseases. Regular consumption of sweet potatoes may help reduce inflammation in the body, offering protection against these conditions. 6. No blood sugar spikes. Sweet potatoes have a low glycemic index, meaning they don't cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. Unlike high glycemic foods like white bread or white potatoes, sweet potatoes release sugar more slowly into the bloodstream. This helps maintain stable blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. 7. Support for weight loss. Because sweet potatoes are low in calories and high in fiber, they can make you feel full and satisfied, which helps prevent overeating. The resistant starch in sweet potatoes can also enhance satiety by encouraging the production of short-chain fatty acids, which are known to reduce appetite. All of this helps in weight loss and managing body weight over time. 8. Healthy vision. Vitamin A, derived from beta-carotene, is crucial for maintaining healthy eyes. It helps protect the cornea, the eye's surface, from damage caused by UV light and helps prevent cataracts, which cause blurry vision. Sweet potatoes also contain vitamin B6, which supports macular health. The macula is the part of the retina responsible for sharp vision. By supporting both of these nutrients, sweet potatoes contribute to better eye health and a reduced risk of age-related vision problems. 9. Regulates blood pressure. Sweet potatoes are an excellent source of potassium, which plays a key role in managing blood pressure. Potassium helps balance sodium levels in the body, which is crucial for controlling blood pressure. The beta-carotene in sweet potatoes also helps produce nitric oxide, a molecule that relaxes and dilates blood vessels, leading to lower blood pressure and reduced strain on the heart. 10. May fight cancer. Emerging research suggests that sweet potatoes may have anti-cancer properties. They contain antioxidants like beta-carotene, which protect against the cell damage that can lead to cancer. A study showed that sweet potato leaf extract inhibited cancer cell growth in mice with prostate cancer and reduced inflammation by 50%. This indicates that sweet potatoes may not only help prevent cancer, but could also aid in fighting existing cancer cells. 11th, brain-boosting power. Sweet potatoes contain vitamin A, which is essential for cognitive function. Studies suggest that eating sweet potatoes may improve memory and cognitive function, particularly in older adults. For instance, one study found that sweet potato antioxidants reduced inflammation and oxidative damage to nerve cells in mice with Alzheimer's-like symptoms. These effects may help reduce the risk of cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and dementia. By including sweet potatoes in your daily diet, you can enjoy these incredible health benefits while adding a delicious, versatile vegetable to your meals. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips and nutrition content. Your wellness is our mission.